Hey.
Hi, how are you?
What's going on?
Not much, man. Just get ready to eat and figured to answer your phone call.
Yeah. Everybody on the channel, say hello to Mr. Cody Wade Branson, owner of Flagship Pomade.
Hello there.
Great friend extraordinaire, maker of things.
Shipper of items.
Shipper of items. Yeah. Guinea pig for the past year.
That works too.
That's ultimately what we're talking about today. So a year ago, some of you might recall, we started this a year ago. I can't believe it's gone by this quickly, but we started a test with iRestore and Mr. Cody Wade Branson here, who is experiencing some thinning, some hair loss in some key areas. And so iRestore graciously set him up with one of these kits like what I have here in front of me, and he's been using it for 12 months. So today we are going to kind of reflect on where we started, what he's seen along the way, and then the results of the 12-month test. So just to refresh everybody's memories here, let's go back to a year ago. This is where we started. He had some thinning in some key areas, kind of in the front, the widow's peak area, and then on the crown. So that's where we started. And then right away, he started in with this kit from iRestore, which involves this laser helmet. He got a different one than I did, so it was pretty cool to see the differences. Shampoo, conditioner, 3-in-1 hair growth formula supplements, an anti-hair loss serum, and then some gummies. So this was the entire kit. You used this for an entire year. But let's hear from Mr. Cody Wade Branson himself. You started this off a year ago. How long before you started noticing any changes, if you even noticed any?
I mean, it did take about 2 to 3 months to really start to see some change. And honestly, it's probably just trying to get the supplements and everything into my bloodstream. And so, anyways, it took a little bit, but ever since then, I've been able to see some results.
Okay. And when it comes to using the actual system, let's go ahead and answer a couple of questions that I've gotten. And I don't know if you've got any, but I've gotten over the updates. When it comes to the helmet, it's not, for me anyway, speaking just from my experience, it's not uncomfortable to wear. It's got some padding on the inside, so it sits, it might look goofy as hell, but it's not a big inconvenience to wear. The lasers, I didn't even feel them. There's no heat.
No.
It's not like sitting under one of those big blow dryer helmet things. So, I mean, I usually did it at nighttime, like in the evening, just sitting on the couch watching something. When was your time to use it?
It's the same. Yeah, that was when I was not really moving around too much, and so it just lended itself to a good opportunity to wear it.
Mine, actually, I think yours similarly has a timer that automatically shuts off after 30 minutes. I think yours was the same. So it's really not that big a deal. You're talking about 30 minutes. You just kind of throw it on, and you don't really even notice that it's there all that much. Was that kind of your same experience, I'm assuming?
Yeah, it was. I mean, sometimes I would forget that it turned off and then still wearing it. So it's pretty comfortable and never really like it was even.
It's not a terrible thing.
No.
So when it comes to the actual system here, anything that you noticed crazy with the shampoo and conditioner? Any side effects or anything weird with it?
No, the shampoos, they both smell really good. The shampoo is very cleansing. Got everything out of my hair. Except you use thicker products. And then the conditioner I love too. It's a thicker conditioner, but it felt really great. Rinsed everything out, made my hair feel good.
Good. And so what about the supplements? Any side effects taking those?
No. The pills, just took them with our regular vitamins, just morning and afternoon. Just follow the directions of having some food whenever you do it. The gummies, same thing. They taste great, have good consistency. And like I said, I like gummies, so that tasted good. It takes me back to my kids. My childhood, I noticed
that these ones do actually have a pretty good taste compared to some others that I've tried. So when it comes to the serum, we got this anti-hair loss serum. Did you put that all over your head or just in the problem areas?
I typically would apply it directly. It's a kind of a thick serum, and you just kind of put it into the areas. I'd rub it into the scalp and then pretty much just let my hair dry or just style as normal. But I do it after I get out of the shower. Just run it from there.
Perfect. And so now we are a full 12 months in. What do you think the results are that you've seen? Have you seen any results? Can you kind of outline that for us?
Yeah, it wasn't anything like just a luscious locks just popping out of my head. But at the same time, it did definitely have some more new hair growth, which was not happening before. And as my hair got thicker too, it just made my hair stronger. In general, just all the entire program, just having that constant daily amount of vitamins getting into your system to help with the growth, as well as just bolstering it with the external things. It definitely did help.
Awesome. So it seems to me like what you're saying is you didn't turn into Teen Wolf or anything like that. Like it's right. Not, you know, a night and day change, but the hair that you had before that you were probably at risk of losing was probably made stronger. Yes. Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
So that's a great thing. I mean, that's really encouraging to me to hear that you didn't like experience further loss or your hairline receding further. And then so on the areas that it was thinning, you've had like some baby hairs grow in a lot more than there was prior.
Yeah, so it's a lot more full than it was before. Like I said, ring light doesn't do it justice because that cuts through everything. But it definitely, I have a lot more going on than I did before.
Well, it's a process, you know, it's not a night and day thing. It seems like it's not even like a full year thing. So it might be something that we'd have to keep an eye on and try other things, or try using this longer and see where we go. So, I mean, I think it's encouraging after a year to see that. So, I mean, how do you feel positive about it?
Yeah, very much so. It was not a bad experience at all. I got some more hair, which I was not doing before. So that hits the tick marks.
When it comes to the actual kit, is there one product that you liked more over the others, in case somebody out there is considering maybe I'll try the helmet and the shampoo, or just the helmet, or, you know, was there one thing you liked more, or did you pretty much like the whole thing?
I mean, I like the whole thing, but I mean, shampoos, I love the shampoo. I love the gummies, like I said, and I do like the serum quite a bit too. So all of those, I think, in of themselves have really good benefits just based on what's in them. Of course, I feel the whole thing is how you're going to get the best results.
Yeah, obviously, yeah, using the entire kit, and that's probably, is that fair to say that's what you would recommend to somebody, you know, you just met on the street that looking for a hair loss kit, using the entire kit is where you would get the best results?
Yeah, just because it's a program, and so if you want to have all the stuff ticking to get the best results out of it, so.
Perfect. Okay. Well, I'm really excited for the results here. I think it looked awesome. I'm really happy to see that you had some positive results, and I appreciate you and iRestore putting this on for us, and Cody Wade Branson being our guinea pig for the past year. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at this exploration, science experiment, whatever you want to call it. I think it was a lot of fun to see something like this put to long-term use. So if you are interested in checking out iRestore, I will put a link in the description for you to check out. And like I said, you can check out some of the past update videos we did with my buddy Cody here and see his journey throughout the past 12 months. So thank you very much for checking this out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop me a like and a comment on what you thought of the past 12 months on looking at his hair journey. Thank you once again. Thank you, Cody, for joining me here today. Go ahead and say goodbye to everybody. See ya.
Bye.
See you later.